Welcome to Singapore, a global city known for its dazzling skyline, cutting-edge technology, and relentless economic growth. From its humble beginnings as a fishing village, Singapore has transformed into one of the world's most vibrant financial hubs. Every corner of the city pulses with energy. Skyscrapers rise high, business never stops, and innovation drives the nation forward. This is the Singapore many around the world know, a modern, fast-paced metropolis. But what many may not realize is that Singapore is also a city in a garden. Amidst its towering buildings and busy streets lies a deep respect for nature and sustainability. Balancing rapid urban development with green spaces has always been at the heart of Singapore's vision. Here, nature is not an afterthought. It's woven into the very fabric of urban life. And just a short drive from the city's bustling center, you'll find a hidden gem, Sungei Buloh Wetland Reserve, a place where nature thrives and time seems to slow down. Amidst the towering skyscrapers and the relentless rhythm of city life, there lies a different side of Singapore, a sanctuary where time slows down and nature takes the lead. This is Sungei Buloh Wetland Reserve, Singapore's first ASEAN Heritage Park, and one of the last strongholds of true wilderness in this modern city-state. Covering over 200 hectares of pristine mangroves, mudflats, and freshwater ponds, Sungei Buloh is a thriving ecosystem that plays a crucial role in protecting biodiversity, filtering water, and fighting climate change. It is a safe haven for thousands of migratory birds, some flying from as far as Siberia and Alaska, seeking refuge during their long journeys. Here, you'll find graceful herons, elegant egrets, and the vibrant flash of kingfishers darting across the water. But the magic of Sungei Buloh doesn't stop in the skies. Beneath the water's surface and along the muddy banks, life flourishes. We encountered playful mud skippers, gentle turtles, giant monitor lizards, and even a snake weaving silently through the mangroves. And then, the creatures that have captured the hearts of Singaporeans, the otters, agile, curious, and full of charm. They are living proof that wildlife still finds its place in the heart of one of the world's busiest cities. This is why Singapore is often called a wild city, where nature and urban life exist side by side in harmony. But deep within these waters hides a legend. A creature that has survived not just centuries, but millions of years. A living relic from the age of dinosaurs. We waited, And then finally, there it was. The saltwater crocodile, the apex predator of this ecosystem. Powerful, ancient, unchanged by time. In that moment, we weren't just visitors. We were witnesses to one of nature's greatest survivors. Sungei Buloh is more than a park. It is a reminder of the delicate balance between progress and preservation. A place where every bird call, every ripple of water, and every silent movement in the mangroves tells the story of life. Resilient, untamed, and beautiful. The moment the king of these waters appears, the stillness breaks. Fish scatter and leap, as if nature itself bows to the ancient might of the saltwater crocodile. In a world racing towards progress, we must not forget the quiet voice of nature. From the wetlands of Sungei Buloh to the green spaces of this city, every creature, every tree, every drop matters. Nature is not just something we visit, it's part of who we are. Let us protect it. Let us preserve it. For us, for the generations to come.